Hey guys, Mike McCabe back with another video today. I know I haven't made much videos for you, but here's my reasoning. Yes, I've been busy with my life again. I just graduated from Zenith. I did finish my classes. It's just, I'm still finishing up my classes at OTech. But I have another way of getting home. But I'll explain that later, because this is going to be an unboxing video for you guys, and I bet you're probably wondering, what are you going to be unboxing? Well, I'll tell you. You know my colleague and best friend, Excusable Legacy, right? Well, as you know, while he's off to boot camp, I'm going to be, I'm currently in charge of his channel, The Excusables, which another video on that channel is going up about, what's going on with them. But if you haven't seen in his videos when he was around, he always wore those skulls around his neck. He had two of them because one had his name, and he made one for me. And he promised me before he made it to boot camp, he'd send it down to me. And well, here it is. He wanted me to do an unboxing video when it arrives, and well, here it is. Legacy, this is for you. This is for you, man. I know the perfect thing to do with this. Got a chain here, so I'm going to put it on there. There we go. Oh, and apparently that's not all. He left a piece of paper with his signature on it. That's his real name, but I'm not gonna, be calling him by that because, it's not how he likes to be called, damn it. But, yep, that's pretty much it. So, there you go, guys. Thank you, Legacy, for making the skull for me and getting it down here. And stay safe at the U.S. Army boot camp. I know you got this. You'll make it through, man. And anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And if you want to stay updated on whenever I'm going to be, uploading, make sure you also activate that bell. And, oh, before I go, there is one other thing I'm going to be saying. Sorry, I'm saying a lot. I got to stop that. Damn it. Anyway, one thing I got to say before I go. Since I finished up my classes at Zenith and I can't be school bused home anymore, how do I get home? Well, there's this. I have a Lynx pass here. This is a 30-day pass that you know who got me. My mother. Because she's that damn good. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. But yeah, I can use this pass to take any Lynx bus I want. Plus, I have some plans for adventuring videos in the future. So just stay around for that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Blardy-blard, we've been through this before. Hit the subscribe button, drop a like, hit the bell, Till next time, keep our pride raging, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace, guys!